Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kids Time. Hope you all are fine. In this video I am going to share with you all that how can you make less chemical and less harmful makeup for your kids at home. Also in this video I am going to tell you how you can make a DIY makeup palette, eyeshadow or blush palette at your home. So let's start the video. Here you can see the products that I have used in this DIY tutorial. We need food colors, talcum powder, rose water, any oil that is available, and beetroot powder. Here I have taken some talcum powder in a bowl. You can see here there is no proper amount that you can take. You can take as much as you want, but I suggest to take a little amount first. Now for the food color, take a little amount of rose water and mix 2 to 3 drops of food color in it and mix it. Now add the food colored water in powder and mix it very well. Keep on mixing until you get a thick fine paste. You can add more powder in it if you feel the paste is thin. You can add more food color too if you want darker color. Here I have taken the organic beetroot powder that I am using for the blush arm. Method is same. The only thing you have to do is first take the powder and add it in the rose water. After making a paste of rose water and beetroot powder, you can add the powder in it. You can see all the colors are ready. Now I am leaving them overnight for drying. Here is the result in the morning. You can see it's again in the powder form. Mix it very well so there are no lumps left. After mixing, I am adding few drops of almond oil in it. I am adding 5 to 6 drops of almond oil in it. Again, mixing. Here I am dividing the powder in 2 bowls. The purpose of doing that is I have to make 2 different shades of orange. So I'll keep this one as a lighter shade and add a little bit more of food color in the other one. So make it a darker one. Okay. Now both the shades are ready. So for the final eyeshadow, I am going to strain it with the help of strainer so that there will be no additional lumps and it will become very thin and fine powder. Okay. all the eyeshadows are ready and blushers too. Now here's the final step. You can see now I have taken an old palette and emptied it. Now I am going to put my eyeshadows in it. Okay, keep watching. See, the blusher is here too. All set and done. See how beautiful do I look? Now if you don't have a palette at your home, so you can make one. Now I'm going to show you how we are going to make a DIY palette. These are the required materials: an old pencil box, a wrapping paper, glue gun, scissor, a small mirror, a disposable plate and a glitter foaming sheet. That's it. Easy and done. The makeup DIY palette is ready and I have filled it with the colors that I have made at home. All eyeshadows and all blushes. Now checking time. See the color. Orange is quite light. You can make it darker, but I need it lighter, so I didn't add more color. You can make it dark if you want. Yay! And here is the blusher. That's my favorite one. It has came out such a nice color. I am loving it. So the lady is here to test it. Let's see if she likes it or not. She liked it, guys. Hope you liked it too. Try, your kids are gonna love it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon also, and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Take care.